told you guys I was gonna get y'all a video of me finish up one of the doors. I got to do the other door Sunday. Just got to cut the holes for the speakers and wire them up. And what I'm gonna do with the wiring here is I'm gonna run this all up through the side, down through the top, and come down on the side. So that's how that's gonna look. It's a major mess in here. Look like a hurricane came through this bad boy. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys this video showing you that I got more progress done. I put belts on this morning. I told you in the last video. And I'm gonna put a super tweeter here in the middle. So definitely gonna do that. But anyway, you guys peace out. And I'll catch you guys Sunday with some more updates. And I hope to have this thing planned by Sunday. I ran into, started going through the van, and I actually found some wire, some remote wire from one of the amp kits that I had. So I'll be able to hook up 1 amp or something. I got to get something going here. Anyway, so you guys peace out and enjoy your weekend.